Good morning from Hackensack. It's Victor, and it's time for breakfast. It's Sunday morning. I'll be going to the Korean supermarket later for some fresh. Hopefully, they're going to have the black sea bass that I saw there the last few weeks, which we're going to prepare it in the oven tonight, maybe wrapped in parchment paper. And so it's time for breakfast, and they have a lot of free samples at the Korean supermarket. So I try to eat a good breakfast and not rely too much on the free sample. So the first dish I have here, these are all leftovers from yesterday or earlier in the week. This is Ackee and Saltfish. It's a Jamaican specialty my wife prepared. There's a last sweet potato from the 3 pounds of sweet potatoes I baked in the oven. I like to eat these with salsa and with some yogurt dressing on them. I'll be making a plate. I'm not sure exactly what it's going to be. This is a leftover omelet. It might have some smoked wild salmon in it. Then I have some callaloo. This is a green that's similar to collard greens. My wife prepared this with sweet peppers and onions. I have some leftover organic spinach, which I prepared in chicken stock with this organic no salt seasoning from Costco. These are Shanghai tips from the Korean supermarket. Again, I do these in chicken stock with organic no salt seasoning from Costco. And finally, I still have a piece of the monkfish that we prepared with onions in roasted salsa verde from Whole Foods Market. The monkfish was from Costco, $6.99 a pound for this beautiful wild-caught fish that cooks up so it achieves the texture of lobster. And I have a lot of sauce left over. I'm going to be able to use that in omelets later in the week. So I decided to go heavy on the greens. Callaloo, organic spinach, Shanghai tips. There's the last piece of monkfish with the onions and salsa verde, the omelet, and the ackee and saltfish. And I'm going to be using some hot sauce on that. Some Valentina's Mexican hot sauce. This is the black label. And that's my Sunday morning breakfast. Enjoy.